all communicate. Some of us do it really well, and some of us not so well.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. You know, I've been so excited to try this coffee place for such a long time. It's really exciting. I'm fine. Whether we're skilled at it or not, whenever we attempt to communicate a fact or a feeling, our goal is always to have the maximum impact possible and to communicate the message effectively. My name is Sally Sampson, and today I'm going to identify the 3 biggest turnoffs in communication. Number 1, assumption. I see people fall into this trap all the time. If you assume that someone knows something and they don't, they will be unable to follow what you're saying, and this will disconnect them and cause them to zone out completely. So Kim was really testing Courtney's patience, and then Kris Jenner walked in and she was like, "Girls, what are you doing?" And I thought, my goodness, yes, the momager has spoken. You know? Huh? On the flip side, if you assume someone doesn't know something and they do, you can come across looking quite arrogant and actually quite condescending, which again will cause people to pull away from you. So you've probably never come across Einstein's theory of relativity, which is why this will probably go over your head, but E equals mc squared. Yeah, I took a semester in physics when I was at university. Don't you worry about things going over my head. So, never assume. The best way to get clarity is to ask directly. Number 2, unacknowledged insecurity. If you feel really scared, or you're worried that you have something in your teeth and you don't acknowledge it, you will get tense, and then that energy will be passed on. You'll make everyone else around you super tense too. You will look uncomfortable and shifty, and people will want to get away from that. Yeah, completely. But, and this is interesting, acknowledged insecurity is a great way of showing vulnerability and authenticity, which creates connection between people. Because remember, we're all insecure about something. So when you show up unafraid to admit your insecurities, you give others the permission to relax and really be themselves around you. I really feel like I have something on my face right now. Do I have something? Yeah, it's just a little... Okay, yeah. Sorry. Oh. Did I get it? I think you got it. Number 3, desperation. Desperation is always so painful to watch. When someone is trying to fit in or be noticed by someone or a crowd that they're just not vibing with, it can really look like a car crash in slow motion. When you try too hard, people pull away from you because it is inauthentic. You look really nice today, and your skin is so clear, and what's a beautiful color on you. I bet you can pull off any color. You know, and you know, I make amazing brownies. I bet I could make you some brownies sometimes. I've got this great recipe, gluten-free, egg-free, dairy-free. You know what it's not free of though? Love. No thanks. I'm okay. This is a very important rule in communication. Authenticity equals connection, and inauthenticity equals disconnection. The solution? Take a breath. Acknowledge the discomfort of the situation to yourself and remind yourself it's okay if people don't get you or if they don't like you. You're never going to be everyone's cup of tea. Excuse me, check please. So there you have it. Those are the 3 biggest turnoffs in communication. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, make sure you subscribe, like it, share it, all that good stuff. And remember, I'm so keen on working with you and helping you to become a more impactful communicator. So if that's what you want to do, all you have to do is visit this link right here, and I'm more than happy to coach you on your path to success. And remember to follow me on social media, and don't forget that free PDF, which I have for you below in the comments as well, with a summary of everything that I talked about. And who am I rooting for? That's right. You. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week.